guys, it's me, Maddie, again. So, today is kind of like a vlog. Well, it is a vlog. Because we're doing like a couple stuff today. We're getting our Christmas tree, first of all. And then we might go over to my aunt's to make gingerbread cookies. I love making those. They're so cute. So I just thought you guys come along with me. So yeah, let's just get started on my day. I came home at 3 o'clock from school Friday. Yeah, I'm wearing this. Just kind of a lazy Friday for me. But now I usually just get ice cream. I know. I just get vanilla ice cream because I like it a lot. It's good. So yeah, I just do that, and then I like to sit on my phone and watch some YouTube, what you guys are doing right now. So now I'm gonna watch some YouTube until we do something actually like fun.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Piano in the bell, 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 bell.
Jingle bell.
It's so cool. Is that the wrong way? Yeah, it's the wrong way. Logan, that's the warehouse. Oh. Oh, it's so warm. It's so warm. It's so warm. What's this? Do you want to go in the Christmas section?
Where are these?
Man, I almost said Halloween section. I need to quit. I can't feel my... Whoa. No, I'm staying right here. Logan, come here. You can make up for it. Logan, I'm going to look at the Christmas section. Because I want to look. Come on. Look at all this stuff. It's super cold. Ooh, oh. Ching, ching.
Is this for YouTube?
What?
Is this for YouTube?
Yeah.
Yikes.
What do you mean, yikes? Wait, I will fight you. That's cute. Logan. This is cute. Oh.
Do you want to pet my baby?
No.
Similarities?
I do.
Yeah.
You look like a rat. This is kind of cute. What? That's a good deal, I guess. Because it's with music, too. Dashing through the snow. Hey, we have these. And a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, change of plans. We're not going to my aunt's. She made different plans. Okay. Ooh, look at these trees. But I will just like vlog for you guys for my day, my boring day. Stupid. So stupid. This is to make, I think, fluffy. Oh, that slime, that type of slime. Holy frick, $4.99. I'll have to see if my mom will let me get it. I wanna get this for someone special. Ooh. Okay. But like cause like you make slime with this stuff. Like honestly, I'll have to ask. All right, so I'm back in my room. Hi, Yaxie. Hi, come here, baby. Oh. Ew. Oh. love you. She always goes for this pillow, like honestly, Roxy. Roxy, boo boo here. But we just got the treat, and I'm gonna attempt to make that icy or whatever type of slime that is. I've never done it. I've always wanted to do it. This is Roxy's. I forgot which way it goes now. Okay, Roxy's first Christmas, so we're gonna see how she is with the Christmas tree. Oh, Roxy! Ow! So yeah. Okay, so I cleaned up everything. That whole thing was a disaster, and I like read up something. I don't know who it's from though. Someone on YouTube. I know how to do it now, and it turned out amazing. I found out that I was doing the whole thing wrong. Guys, I can't believe I did it. I not activated, I don't think. I did something a little bit, I added something a little bit too much, so it's kind of hard. It's really thick. But I'm going to make another one so you guys can see how awesome. Lesson learned. Don't forget to read the rules. Alright, let's go ahead. So, we're going to just make a regular base. I don't have much left, so I'm going to make a small batch. And then, oh yes, lotion. Okay, we're good. Hopefully I'll get more lotion for Christmas. Oh! Shoot. Ah. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and mix this in. I'm going to use a spoon. Alright. Now you take this, no, you don't put it in a separate bowl. You do it in the same bowl. That's where I messed up at. So now you just add, wait. I forgot to activate it. Actually, I'm going to try this real quick. No, I should just like stop trying stuff. Okay. Let's see if this works. I don't think that works. Okay. So now I'm just adding my activator. I've been up here forever trying to figure this out. And I had the biggest mess. Ugh. This is a mess. And it's a lot of work and a lot of money. That's why now it's like expensive. Okay. Ew. Okay. Still kind of nasty. So now I'm just going to keep making my regular slime. I'll come back when it's perfect. Alright, it's a little sticky, but that's alright. So now is when your snow comes in. Just add it straight in, little by little, and now you take your little measure spoon, and you do not want it to get clear. I read the wrong video. Do not get it clear. So you just want it to be white. I found the best way is to where you barely add any water. Like the less water, the better. So now we just mix. I'll take it out for you guys. I'm sorry. Okay. So now we're just. You guys can't see it all. Okay. Okay, now you can. So there it is. Now you just keep doing what I'm doing. So just like that, and repeat your process until you're happy with it. It goes off on how you like it. And if it gets too sticky, go ahead and add some activator. So I'll be right back. Look at this, guys. I did it. So proud right now. Proud moment. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself right now. Oh, I love it. I'm definitely gonna make this again. I'm just gonna need more powder. So I did it. I'm super happy, and it made so much slime. Woo! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you liked it. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.